Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat videos not playing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me show you here guys. When you tap on that and the videos are not playing here, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for the app. So first of all you have to make sure that you are using latest version of the app, and then just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that you are properly connected with the internet. Tap on settings, just simply have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 30 or 40 seconds. Now after that, turn this off. So guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data or vice versa, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply you have to search for Snapchat tone detector. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on first one, and from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some second and make sure that if Snapchat source is not on. If Snapchat source is on, then you have to wait some hours, and after that your problem automatically will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.